Welcome, loves, and thank you for joining my YouTube channel, Cooking with Chef Monie. By now, you can get the gist that this is Chef Monie, and I'll let you know a little bit about myself. I'm a certified personal chef, an entrepreneur, a foodie at heart, and most of all, I'm a lover of Jesus Christ. I know this is a cooking channel, but I want my channel to be uplifting and also encouraging through the likes of my food, my videos, and my chats. So here on my channel, you can get weekly mukbangs and chats with me, funny comedic reaction videos, weekly recipes, cooking tips, and also fun challenges that we're going to be doing. I hope that you'll join me along this journey as we travel through and we make the best of our 2020. Again, welcome, 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 loves. God bless you. And remember, through Christ who strengthens us, we can do all things. Have a blessed one.